Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by defining a clear sponsorship goal for your travel project. Decide your target trip, budget, and timeline, for example, 000 in 3 months. Specify the story you will tell and the audience you will serve on arrival. Identify the audience size you will reach, for example, 50,000 monthly impressions. Choose sponsor types to target, such as gear brands, tourism boards, or travel apps. Set realistic deliverables and measurable metrics before contacting any brand or partner. Next, build a compact and compelling media kit for sponsors to review quickly. Create a one-page summary with your audience stats and key metrics. Include your rates and clear deliverables, such as 3 Instagram posts and 1 10-minute video. Show proof of engagement with a sample post, analytics screenshot, and a recent testimonial. Add a short bio, past brand work, and high-quality images of your travel content. Format the kit as a PDF so brands can open and share easily. Finally, prepare to pitch and negotiate professional sponsorship agreements with brands. Send personalized emails with a 1-paragraph hook and a concise ask. Follow up twice at 3 to 7 day intervals if you receive no response. Offer tiered packages, for example, bronze 00, silver 200, gold 500 with clear deliverables. Negotiate timelines, usage rights, and payment terms, including 50% upfront if possible. Close the deal with a simple written agreement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.